Today we're going to do an IM injection, and the medication is going to be in an ampule. Okay, so right now I'm going to start off in the mid-room, and I have my patient's MAR, and I'm at the Pyxis machine. I'm going to pull my medication out, and this will be my first check. So I'm going to compare that to the MAR, and that's correct. Okay, now since it's an ampule, I'll need to use this device here to break it. And I also have a 3 ml syringe, and I have a 23 gauge 1-inch needle, and I have a filter straw. I also have a label for my syringe after I draw the med, and I have that labeled with the drug name and the dose. I'm going to do a little bit of math first, and I see on my MAR what my required dose is, and I see what's available. So I'm going to set that up. I'm going to do my math. Okay, so then I have my dose of 0.6 ml. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and start by breaking off the top of that ampule. I'm going to break away from me. And I'm going to go ahead and put that into the sharps. Get my syringe. I have a garbage can here at my feet. And I'm going to remind myself everything is sterile. All of my tips. Twist that on. That's my filter needle. Okay, and I'm going to drop that solution nice and slow and steady. And at this point I'm going to draw up as much of it as I can, and I'll fine-tune my dose after. Okay, and after I've drawn up all the medication, I'm going to right away switch out my needles. Get rid of the filter needle. Again, keeping all tips sterile. Screw that on. Okay, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to get rid of the air, and you can do that with the cap on. Okay, now I'm going to get the medication at its right dose, and I know it's 0.6 ml. Okay, I'm going to double check. Looks good. And I'm going to put my cap back on there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and label that. And I'm going to go ahead and do my second check. Okay, looks correct. Now I'm going to go and down to my patient's room, taking my MAR with me and my medication. Good morning, Miss Cross. I have your medication for you. The doctor has ordered. I'm going to provide for privacy. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. Can you tell me your name and date of birth, please? Okay, first one, good. And can you tell me your allergies? No allergies? All right, Mrs. Cross, the doctor has ordered your medication here, and it's going to be an injection. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that into your arm muscle. It's a small amount, it's less than 1 milliliter. So I'm going to put that into your deltoid spot. And the placement for that is what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 finger breadths below the acromion process. And then we're going to find the axillary line and come across. And we're going to give that on the outside part there of the arm. And that'll be your deltoid muscle. Okay. For today's purposes, we're going to use this pad here. We're going to clean the skin with alcohol. I'm going to go ahead and do my third check. Okay, correct. I'm going to go ahead and spread out that tissue. I'm going to hold my syringe like a dart. Okay, Miss Cross, here comes a poke. I'm going to go straight in at a 90 degree. I'm going to aspirate, no blood, and I'm going to slowly inject that medicine, slow and steady. I'm going to hold it for a few seconds after. Okay, straight out, a little bit of pressure, and activate your safety. It's going to go into my sharps. Okay, Mrs. Cross, we're all set with that injection. Doing okay? Okay. And we'll take off our gloves and wash our hands. And that concludes our video on how to give an IM injection from an ampule.